world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. I have a lot of videos planned. This is not one of them, but my red one. Okay, I love this thing, and I've dyed it. It was green, and then I dyed it black with these tiger stripes in it, and all of these things. Now, I have special scales that, well, I don't know when, but eventually sometime I will get my special scales. But I've also ordered a new one. Okay, and I have something weird living in my garage. Listen to this. It's something that rattles at me. Now, we don't have rattlesnakes in South Africa, so I don't know what that is. Anyway, I want to try to do something else with these scales. They've been through a lot, but we're going to put them through a bit more. Anyway, so let's take this thing apart. Unfortunately, taking apart the rat is quite difficult because the standoffs, it screws in from both sides. So the standoffs, you have to keep them, what do you call that, stationary while you take out the other half. Okay, so it is a bit more of a mission than you would expect. Okay, so let's do something with these two. I think it will be cool. I don't know yet. Okay, here I have my scales. And then I don't have any normal bleach, but I do have Domestos. And apparently this is, I don't know, it kills germs and it's full of bleach. So let's add some of that. Now, like I said, I have no idea if this is going to work. But like most of my projects, we will see. Okay, so my scales have changed from pretty much black with a little bit of brown to brown with almost beige. Remember, these things were green to start with. So it's changed to that. So now I'm going to take some sandpaper and sand them lightly and see what happens then. Okay, so they turned out like this, which I think looks actually super awesome. It's like this weird apocalyptic army green and brown. And because they were sanded, they feel a bit smoother. Not bad, still grippy, but smoother. Okay, Let's put this thing together. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. It actually looks awesome and it feels great because of that bit of sanding. Okay, so I actually quite like this. Now I ordered another one and the plan is to make myself scales for the new one. Custom awesome scales. I'm not gonna say that now. I still have this one spot on the blade that I cannot get off. I don't know what that is. I tried thinners and benzene and whatever, but I cannot get it off, and it doesn't seem to be something in the blade. It seems to be something on the blade. But anyway, I think this thing looks fantastic now. It feels great. It almost feels like my Carta because it was a high grit sandpaper I used to sand it. But anyway, so now it looks fresh and new and perfect again. So now, okay, horrible video, I know, I'm sorry. But this was all the intro for tomorrow. Tomorrow, well, I hope tomorrow, that's the plan, if it's not raining or whatever. I am going to take this thing, the Workshop Precision Adjust, and I'm going to take it out of its box. And then as a test run, I am going to sharpen this thing because it's not as sharp as it used to be. But I must say, there's very few knives that make me as happy as my Rat one. This thing is fantastic. The same size as your standard PM2. Well, it looks different now, but it's the same size. Pretty much the same size as your standard PM2. But look at this thing. It feels fantastic. This thing molds into your hand. It doesn't have a choil, but you can choke up. It feels wonderful. Good jumping. There's nothing bad about this knife. Everything about it is perfect. Centering is still fantastic, even though, ow, you can even spidey flick it. I tightened it a bit too much, but still, this thing is fantastic. Okay, so I love my rat one. I'm going to cuddle up next to this thing, watch some, I think I'm watching Snowpiercer tonight, so I'm going to watch some Snowpiercer while cuddled up next to my rat, and tomorrow we will sharpen this baby. Okay. Thank you very much. Wonderful Saturday evening to you. I hope you see this thing tonight or otherwise tomorrow morning. But anyway, while I'm sitting in church, you will be watching this. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.
Yeah, breakdown na romo lahat. Na romo lahat na breakdown. Wait, yeah. Aki si di driver si di molokar di batla something.
Ene sana dai de. Ata dai de satte.
Dis hoe Daniel laan nou lyk. Daar's die slaghuis.
Nooit so iets gesien is verskriklik. Ja, kyk hierso mamma, het verspoel hierso. Dis iets verskrikliks binne die winkels ook in. Hier's by Waverley.
Eintlik is dit baie mooi.